Physics is applicable in nursing in so many ways. So when it comes to topics to read in your nursing entrance, it's complicated because there are a whole lot of topics that is applicable in nursing. Okay, so let me just start with the first unit. For example, measurement. We measure a whole lot of things in nursing. We measure the specific gravity of a urine, we measure volume, we measure patient weight, we measure the circumference of a newborn baby, we measure in volume, we measure in meters, we measure in centimeters, we measure in decimeters. For example, if I'm checking the blood sugar level of the patient, I need to measure in DL. A lot of measurements are being done in nursing, so it's very important that you read about the derived quantities and fundamental quantities, know all their formulas. Is very important because you may come across some of those things. You may see, not that you may see a lot of them, and you need to know their formulas. The density formula for density, you need to know the formula for calculating speed and velocity. You need to know the formula for first law of motion, second law of motion. You need to know how to state them because you may come across some of those things. Another thing is equilibrium. Okay, equilibrium, pendulum. Okay, you need to understand how to calculate some basic formulas. If you can get like 20 formulas and memorize, I used to advise my students to get a small book, call it formula book, where you can write all the formulas and memorize it, work with it. Before the examination day, you are already used to most of those formulas, because once you get the formula, the question will be very simple. It doesn't matter the numbers, you just plug in the formula and then you will see the answer immediately in the option day. Okay, another area that you may see in your exam is radioactivity. Radioactivity is a sure area in nursing. I mean, because we carry out a lot of investigation. Without radioactivity, there will be no diagnosis. Okay, because that's where we get the x-ray that we examine patients to see the internal organs. Of course, doctors can't see everything. They cannot see, they don't have the eyes to see what is going on in the inside. So it is the x-ray that does the work, and that will show the internal organs. From there, they can now know exactly where something is wrong, and they know how to treat it. Another one is the gamma rays. You know, it's been used in the treatment of cancer and some other stuff. So even the ultrasound that is being used to detect if a woman is pregnant or not. So a whole lot of things. So radioactivity is applicable in nursing, and you may see a lot of questions in that area as well. So read on radioactivities. Okay, so another area that I would like you guys to read on when it comes to physics is vector and scalar quantity. Know which one is vector and know which one is scalar. Is displacement a scalar quantity? Distance, is it a scalar quantity? Acceleration, is it scalar or no? You need to know them so that once you see it, you know, you will not waste any time. You just go ahead and then pick your answers and move to the next one. So you can also read on machine. Okay, machine. Read on waves. We have mechanical wave, we have water wave. Read on the refraction, reflection. Okay, when it comes to which topic they will set question on in nursing entrance, it's a game of luck. It may come, it may not come. So, but what you need to know is to read on certain areas. I know you cannot read everything. My name is Nurse Hopi. If you're joining us for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get to see more videos on this channel.